Hey everyone, this is Earrings by Angela. And if you have downloaded the Ultimate Tool List, then you know that we're going to talk about leather today. If you have not downloaded the Ultimate Tool List, then I suggest that you do that. And the link is definitely in the description. So this is like a little ebook and the videos to go with it. Okay, because I actually want to show you and not just tell you. So let's talk about some leather today. So first of all, boom, this is how my stuff starts. I find leather scraps, you can find it at Joann's, Hobby Lobby, online, and I'll put the links um in the description for you. So this is how it starts. We have Latisse leather, which is leather scraps, right? And we have different textures. I love this. Um, and you can do anything with it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, you guys? Oh, I wish you could feel it. This is so funky, right? And you're like, well, what could you do with that? You see, I've been cutting on it. So I made something with a circle. Maybe some earrings or something. I love this. You see, I just keep touching it. But look at how that is. I love it. I love it. And then you have this like suede type. It's so nice against the skin. So nice. And this is a harder one. But look at that. You can stamp the leather too. Calm. This is a reminder. This is actually for some stuff that I'm working on. So you can do so many creative things with leather. And actually there is I have a leather diva class, a workshop online. I'll put the link to that in there where you can make so many different creations. So let me move this to the side and I want to show you some ideas because telling is telling, but oh, and this is also a piece of leather too. Telling is telling and showing is showing. I want to definitely show you some of the things that you can create. So I made a leather ring out of, see, look, that thicker like lattice leather, right? And it holds up well. Look at that, you guys. And I do have some leather rings in my Etsy shop. If you are interested, you can visit that too. But you can make leather rings, okay? This this is one of my favorites, and I combine leather with the wire wrapping, and it goes on just like that. That is so funky and diva-ish, right? Diva-ish. I might actually wear this today. This is not in the shop. This was for my personal because I was like, I need something funky to go with this dress. And it looks just like this, okay? Um, then I have this stone bracelet that I made. And you see there's different techniques. There's braiding the leather, there's wire wrapping, creating a clasp. Look at that. And with the dangle. So you can do that as well. I don't want to ruin this. I think I made this for something else too. Okay, so that's just how it works, and it's adjustable. Put it on, and that hangs. That hangs. Through there. So that was cool. So you see how you can just use your imagination with different stuff. Um, I made this one and it snaps. So you create that texture, then you just snap it on, right? The funky cuff. I love it. See, sometimes you gotta try to be that jive turkey. But that's very creative. And this one that I created out of the Latisse leather, right? And then I wrapped it in the embroidery floss, right? And created this piece. So it just goes like that. And then this goes through the hole like this. Put it on. Put it back through the hole, you get the point, and it'll be up like this. I didn't feel like going through all that, but that's what it goes. So this went with a dress too. So you can get really creative with the leather. So I encourage you to do so. You can check out some of the projects in the leather class, in the leather jewelry diva class, because I do teach a lot of leather things, and that explains about the different ways that you can use leather. I hope you enjoyed it. I invite you to join our Earrings by Angela family by subscribing. Tell me in the comments which was your favorite project that I showed and whether or not you would like to learn how to make it. All right, so I will see you in the next video, and please do not forget to download that free PDF of the ultimate tool list, okay? Have a great day.